Rumors are true. Names that are legendary. StockLegends.com.
Hey, welcome back traders. StockLegends.com here with another explosive chart analysis. We're looking at PSRU for January 18th, 2012. This stock basically had a very long sideways movement, not a lot of volume here. Trade as low as 0001 up into the 0004 range. You can see we had some volume come in and we had a nice run up to 0024. So a really big gain here. It only took a few days. You can see it was basically from this breakout point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trading days. So about a week the stock ran from 0002 to 0024. That's over 1,000% gain. And what we've had basically is a long consolidation period. You can see that this is what we would call a pennant pattern. You can see that the resistance line is pushing the prices lower and the support is pushing the prices up. What it does is it restricts volatility, and the volatility starts to get incredibly tight, and it needs to either force a breakout or a breakdown at the tip of the pennant pattern. So we see a breakout here, and characteristic of a breakout in a pattern like this is an increase in volume. You can see that volume really started to take off into today's trading session. We had 34.5 million shares traded here. And you can also see that the MACD, which gives us our buy and sell signals, tells us what direction our momentum is moving in. You can see that the MACD lines have not yet crossed, but they're very, very close. You can see the histogram bars are moving up, and this crossover point is going to give us the confirmation of a trend reversal. That's also going to confirm the stock's in an upward trend because it's so early in the upward trend. These lines haven't even crossed over yet, but we do have the price breakout past the resistance line and the volume here coinciding with it that does suggest the stock's getting ready to run. Now, we wouldn't really see a top or any resistance until we come back up to our old resistance here of 0024. Very likely we can break this level and even go higher. Now, the RSI here, which gives us overbought and oversold signals, you can see that on the last run up, the RSI peaked at about 85. Currently it's at 50, so it has a long way to go. I expect the stock to move more than just one single trading. This could be a nice week-long or maybe even multi-week long hold. And certainly, you know, if you do see the MACD lines cross over, that's going to confirm the stock's ended its upward run. But you can see that in periods of high volatility, it was a little bit late giving that sell signal, as the sell signal came quite a bit longer. What you'd want to do is find where you get your low points. And for an example, we have something like this. On this day right here, you can see the support trend broke. That would be your exit point. But right now we have a breakout happening at the current moment. Do have some resistance right around the 009 area. You can see it was resistance here on these 2 days, so we could have some slight resistance up in here. I wouldn't be too concerned about it. Very likely we're going to get up into the 0024 area once again. You can see the accumulation is moving up and money flow is starting to come back in the stock as well. Thanks very much for watching. Be sure to go to StockLegends.com on our website. Very easy to find. Sign up for Twitter, and also be sure to sign up for the email alerts by entering your name and email address here. Thanks very much for watching. Until next time.